two primary ways to cheat on Proctorio. There are two broad categories under which Proctorio cheating methods fall. 1. The technical expert method, highly advanced and undetectable. 2. Conventional cheating techniques, old school methods. Let's first start with the technical expert method. This is currently the most reliable and secure method to bypass Proctorio. It requires the assistance of a technical expert who installs a customized stealth-based program onto the student's machine. This program operates silently in the background and allows the expert to view the screen and remotely control the exam session without Proctorio detecting any third-party activity. When using Proctorio, students typically go through a series of pre-exam steps such as accepting terms and understanding what Proctorio will monitor, closing all other tabs and applications before launching the test window, sharing their screen with the software, showing a valid ID and doing a 360-room scan, entering an exam password provided by the instructor to begin the test. During all of these steps, the technical expert remains remotely connected to the student's system via undetectable software. Once the exam starts, the expert takes full control, navigating the questions and completing the test on behalf of the student. Since this method avoids detection by not interfering with visible processes and doesn't leave behind any noticeable traces, it is regarded as one of the safest and most effective ways to cheat Proctorio. The installation is discreet, and it doesn't trigger any alerts or flag behavior in the session report. If you're curious about how to reach these technical experts, the contact information is usually listed in the description area of this video. Now let's talk about the traditional outdated methods of cheating Proctorio. Though not as reliable as the expert method, some students still resort to traditional approaches. However, keep in mind that these methods come with significantly higher risks of being flagged or detected. Let's briefly explore them. Using virtual machines. This method involves setting up a virtual machine VM within the host operating system. While the test is run inside the VM, the student can freely use the host system for other tasks like searching for answers or collaborating with others. However, the setup process is technically complex and time-consuming. Moreover, Proctorio has started detecting VM environments in recent updates, so it's becoming less effective, using phones or hidden devices. Another common tactic is placing a secondary device such as a smartphone or mini laptop just out of webcam view but within reach. Students use these to search for answers during the exam. Though seemingly simple, this technique is risky. Proctorio monitors eye movement, head position, and irregular behavior. If the software detects the student constantly looking away or acting suspiciously, it flags the activity for review.